In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Wise to your bank account in the Philippines. We'll walk through adding your Philippine bank details in the Wise app so you can move money smoothly and securely. Keep your Wise app updated and make sure you have a stable internet connection before you start. Open your Wise app and head straight to Send. This is where you set up transfers and add bank details you'll use later. When the destination screen appears, choose Philippines. This tells Wise you're sending to a Philippine bank account, and it ensures the right local fields and bank options show up. Enter the amount you plan to send. You'll see the estimated fees and exchange rate, which is helpful for confirming how much the recipient will receive. Take a moment to review those numbers so there are no surprises. Next, tap Add Recipient. If the app prompts you with Add Recipient again, simply tap it once more to continue. Then, choose Bank Details. This option lets you link a bank account directly, which is the most reliable way to deliver funds in the Philippines. Select Someone Else. This indicates you're setting up a recipient's account rather than a personal balance. Now enter the recipient's email. Wise may use this for notifications or to help identify the recipient, so be sure it's accurate and accessible to them. Avoid entering placeholder or incorrect emails, as that can delay updates. Enter the recipient's full name exactly as it appears on the bank account. Matching the bank's records is crucial. Even small mismatches can lead to delays or a returned transfer. After that, select the bank name from the list. Choosing the correct bank ensures Wise routes the money through the right network. Type in the bank account number carefully. It's best to double-check the digits before moving on. If your recipient shared the number with you, confirm it with them to avoid any bounce backs. Then enter the city associated with the account holder. This is typically the city on their bank record or residence and helps with local compliance. When everything looks correct, tap Continue. Wise will take you to the next screen where these bank details are saved with your recipient profile, ready for future transfers. If anything doesn't look right, you can go back and edit before proceeding further. That's it. Your recipient's Philippine bank details are now linked in Wise. Keep details consistent with bank records and you'll avoid most common issues. Thanks for watching and happy sending.